Hey everyone, the upcoming Honor 600 Lite is shaping up to be a compelling mid-range contender, arriving shortly after early details about the standard Honor 600 began circulating. Thanks to information shared by the German publication WinFuture, along with what appears to be a retailer listing from Singapore, we now have a fairly complete picture of what this device will offer. All signs suggest that its official launch is right around the corner. At first glance, the Honor 600 Lite presents a clean and modern design. The front features a pill-shaped cutout for the selfie camera, giving the display a contemporary look while maintaining symmetry. The bezels appear slim, contributing to an immersive viewing experience. On the right side of the frame, there's a dedicated shutter button, a welcome addition for users who frequently take photos and prefer a tactile camera control. Color options include desert gold and velvet black. The desert gold variant leans toward a softer, refined finish rather than an overly flashy tone, which should appeal to users who want something elegant yet understated. The display is one of the most striking aspects of the Honor 600 Lite. It is rumored to feature a 6.6-inch panel with a sharp resolution of 2600 by 1200 pixels. Even more impressive is the claimed peak HDR brightness of 6500 nits. If accurate, this would put the phone among the brightest displays in its segment, offering excellent outdoor visibility and strong HDR performance for supported content. Under the hood, the device is expected to run on the Dimensity 7100 Elite processor. This chipset should provide solid mid-range performance suitable for everyday multitasking, social media use, video streaming, and moderate gaming. Paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, the Honor 600 Lite offers a generous configuration for its price category. Battery life could be another strong point. The leak suggests a 6250 mAh battery, which is notably large for a device of this class. When it comes time to recharge, 45-watt wired charging support promises relatively quick top-ups, reducing downtime despite the large battery size. The camera setup reflects the phone's mid-range positioning. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel camera housed within the pill-shaped cutout. On the rear, the primary 10.8-megapixel sensor is accompanied by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens. As expected at this price, there is no telephoto lens, meaning zoom capabilities will rely primarily on digital cropping rather than true optical magnification. With a quoted price of around 399 Singapore dollars, roughly equivalent to $315, the Honor 600 Lite appears competitively positioned within the mid-range market. The combination of a bright display, substantial battery capacity, ample storage, IP66 rating, and a balanced chipset suggests that Honor is targeting users who prioritize battery life, screen quality, and everyday reliability over advanced camera hardware. Although the official release date remains unconfirmed, the presence of detailed retailer listings strongly indicates that the launch is imminent. If the leaked specifications hold true, the Honor 600 Lite could emerge as a well-rounded and practical option for users seeking premium-inspired features without stepping into flagship-level pricing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.